home of its stunning beach resort and relevant historical landmarks. High-end accommodation and a rich cultural heritage have given the city of Lapu-Lapu the moniker of historic resort city. For today's video, i-explore naman natin ang Lapu-Lapu City sa gabi. Tara na at ating i-experience ang night market, food park, street foods, and live music. Ang ating adventure ngayong gabi ay magsisimula dito sa Lapu-Lapu City Public Market. And this is the picture of Lapu-Lapu City Public Market.